If you're planning a long flight or a long road trip this holiday season, before you even think about packing, you need to choose the perfect outfit for the trip. I'll show you 5 major outfit mistakes that ruin your comfort in a cramped airplane seat or behind the wheel of a car. Instead, you're going to learn what to wear for all-day sitting that will keep you comfortable but also chic and stylish from departure to arrival. Finally, my outfit solutions will be comfortable as well as stylish, specifically designed for women who will be sitting for hours. Each look is going to feature the maximum all-around stretch and non-restricting waistbands, making them a secret weapon against the discomfort of long-haul travel. For your long journey, either in the airplane or in the car for a road trip, I've chosen fabrics that are breathable. And the best part is that every one of these outfit pieces could mix and match with your travel capsule wardrobe once you've reached your holiday destination. Here are the 5 outfit mistakes you could make. Number 1, do not wear tight clothing, especially where you bend in your knees, in your waist. I will link a video from a nurse that explains all of that if you're interested. That outfit feature could cause blood clots in the airplane or sitting in the car, but it's really just going to mean you're going to have to keep readjusting and not be comfortable with that travel outfit. Number 2, do not wear pants that touch the floor of the airport, lavatory in the airplane, or puddled cement that you're walking along on your vacation. And here's why. Not because of germs, but because it could stain that part of your clothing so that you cannot wear it with other vacation outfits during the trip. Number 3, learn from me. Do not wear cream or white inside the airplane or in a car for when you are eating your lunch or a snack, or the passengers beside you who may spill or drop a cup like it happened to me on my way to Mexico. The number 4 travel tip for your outfit is do not wear clothes that are bulky. And here's the main reason why. You are going to have to worry about keeping all of that extra fabric in your seat boundary line, if you will. But also my poncho got caught on the seat of the passenger seat in front of me when I was trying to get out of my row and into my row to use the restroom in the plane. And the number 5 mistake is not dressing in layers, especially for women over 40. If you are too hot or too cold, it's easier on you and all of your things you're going through if you can take off or add layers without a lot of bulk. So here are some other travel outfits that are stylish, but also comfortable for sitting all day. And howling wind in Houston, Texas today. It may be our only day of fall. This is a 2-piece travel outfit set that would be very comfortable for a long flight. And this is what I like about this 2-piece set, especially this Ophifan type, is it has this little tummy extra flap down here, which is more flattering on me. The waistband gives you some tummy control. I'm in a size medium, so I'm usually a size large, but in the medium, that does give you a little bit of tummy control, but your stomach doesn't poke out underneath the waistband, if that makes sense. And look at this. See the length? It's like an inch or 2 above the ground. So that means when I sit, it's not going to touch the floor of the airport, the airplane, or the lavatory. And you'll notice that the sleeves taper, but they do not cling, if that is important to you. You can pull them up easily and they stay up. They're not tight wrist parts. And you'll see that the medium does come right past my shoulder. So I don't think you need to, I think you can size down if you want to try that one. When you're thinking about outfits for a long flight as well as for your vacation, burgundy. Burgundy is a color that would go with stripes. This is white and blue. Whatever strategy helps you pack in a carry-on suitcase, if that's what you want to do. For size reference, I am size 10, 5'8", and I usually wear a large. This is a luxuriously comfortable travel outfit for a long flight. The only thing is, depending on your height, this may be too short for putting up your suitcase. I am 5'8" and I can wear this. The elastic, I want you to see, it's a super soft but close together elastic. So if you do need that compression, it'll be there. It's not really tummy control, but I like this waistband, how ruched it is, if that makes sense. Here's a quick little travel tip in the winter if you're flying or anytime the airport or the airplane is cold. Here's a quick way to tie it so that it's really chic. Go under and around, up the V, and then you're going to go down that little hole that is right there, almost like a man's tie look, but it is so cute how the knot ends up looking, and then you just adjust it how you need to so it's a little smoother. Love red, white, and blue. I never used to think of navy blue as a color outfit scheme. I would do it like maybe in the summer, but I'm trying to fit more outfits that are navy blue. In these pants, they don't swallow you whole. They hang, but they drape, if that makes sense. And look, they're like 1 or 2 inches above the sole of my foot. So when I sit down inside the airplane, inside the airport, or the lavatory, it's not going to touch all of the stuff from the really long flight. This is just an example of how the pants and your body type make the difference. This looks totally bad with these pants because I'm self-conscious about my tummy. Like, look at it. It pokes out. But let me show you these pants with another shirt. See this other shirt? This other shirt is by Talbot's. They drape a woman's body beautifully. I love the fit. I have like 7 of their t-shirts. I just bought the red one this year. It's the Talbot's red. Look at this tummy control that these pants have. I think the piping down the length of them really lengthen and flatter a woman's leg and body shape. I just pulled these out of my tub in my closet that were folded. Like, look how they do not wrinkle hardly at all. If you are worried about wrinkling clothes, these shirts are super easy to iron. I only travel with things that are easy to iron if I need to iron them. But usually if I just hang them in the closet, they do fine. My travel tip is this. I might be hot, so I would rather wear, for a long flight, a short sleeve shirt and then pack or tie around my waist a long sleeve shirt like this, or a cashmere sweater that's lightweight but effective in making me warm or retaining my body heat. I did not put on my shoes, but these are not too long for wearing in the airplane lavatory. They will not touch the ground. On me, I'm 5'8", size 10, and this is, I think, the medium. Okay, here's one very crucial travel tip when making outfits for the airplane. You want to also use them during your vacation so that you can wear it again. But I could wear this color t-shirt with a pair of blue jeans, a pair of gray golf pants, if that's what you're going to wear on vacation. And I could wear these with a navy blue shirt, a striped shirt, a blue cashmere sweater like I did one time. Highly recommend this type of an outfit for airplane rides that are really long. This 2-piece travel set is short sleeve for my women over 50. It just drapes your body and you feel like you are wearing nothing. It was so comfortable in my airplane seat that hardly had 2 inches of space for my knees to move. I'm 5'8", size 10, and the medium is roomy but perfect. The waistband has a very soft elastic waist, and they are wide-legged all the way down to the bottom. Okay, here's what you do if you want to bring or wear a really comfortable pair of corduroy jeans or just regular blue denim. Number 1, make sure it is loose where your leg bends. I would wear these corduroy pants for a long flight and then maybe a sweater like this while I'm on vacation. An important feature to look for is an elastic waist. Wit and Wisdom has both tummy control and a stretchy waistband, if that makes sense. It's the Absolution technology. It is magical for women over 40. But you'll notice that some elastics are soft, some elastic has tummy control, Some elastic is ruched together more tightly. This two-piece travel set is the lightest weight one. It is definitely a Spanx for less. Notice the piping and how it beautifully lengthens your leg. This elastic is soft. It's not ruched at all. It is just a piece that does not fold over on me. And the pockets feature inside is this satin fabric that's so luxurious. And notice this high quality feature. The zipper is the same exact color as the outfit. Notice how the jacket is long enough for me. I am 5'8", size 10, if that matters to you. You will see that there are two zippers. Like you could unzip it that way or something. I don't care for that look. And then red is such a good neutral color for going with gray, with white, with blue, even with black, whatever color you want to remix pieces of this outfit. It will really help for a travel capsule wardrobe. If you need total comfort for your travel outfit and you have big legs, this is a great choice. This brick color of red is not flattering on me, so I am returning it. And the legs are a little too bulky all the way up. I need a more slimmer fitting up here and then with the flare, but the length is great for sitting in an airplane lavatory. This is more of a boxy, comfortable outfit for sitting all day. The waistband is very, very soft. There's no tummy control. And again, the piping makes this so lengthening for a woman's leg. This is a very comfortable travel outfit for a long flight because the pants are so lightweight and thin, but you have pockets. You've got one long one here that goes towards the back, and that makes it not be bulky to the width of your leg or the front. And then it also has these that are easy to get to, a very soft elastic waist, no tummy control, but they stand up. You can pull them up or you can pull them down to adjust them for your height. Okay, I want you to notice how this length is not really flattering for me for the math of my outfit. I feel frumpy in these pants at this length. And by the way, if you do wash them, the little cuff does not unfold every time. You do not need to iron it to make it stay up or whatever. But one more roll of these pants and they are a more flattering fit or length on me. I could even roll them up again. I would also pull them up a little bit to be super comfortable for me. There is a back pocket that if you need that. In the winter, a lot of times, if you just have a real fleece jacket or pullover, you will be warm enough. This is a good one that has enough room for a long flight so that you're not adjusting. If you are cramped in a middle airplane seat for your long flight, taking off something like this, if you get hot, is easier than taking off a pullover that only has a little zip right there. It's just something to think about for what you want to go through during a flight so that you are prepared, but you're not stressed adjusting to the temperature. And if you are going to a warm beach location from a really cold winter spot, you can just tie it around your waist or stuff it in a trash bag when you land and keep it in the closet of your beach resort hotel room. My white shirt is wrinkled from the wash, so don't look at that. But a cardigan is fantastic for a long flight because it's easy to take it off or unbutton it or keep it buttoned if you need more of the warmth. This feels like rabbit fur, but it is not. It's just a budget-friendly cardigan from Amazon. It comes in like 5 colors. Super cute pink one that I showed also. And it's long enough for me, and it does not swallow you whole. Like it drapes and it doesn't poke out when you're like wearing it from the side. I'm going to show you two piece sets that are fantastically comfortable, especially for a long flight. I have not worn them yet for a long flight. This hangs right, and this is the size medium. It's long enough for my height. The turquoise one is absolutely my favorite. The fabric is like Spanx for less. It is stretchy. They do not swallow you whole, and the legs are not like tree trunks, like swallow you whole either. They drape your leg. I will say I feel like the Jolly Green Giant, so I am not going to wear that together, but I think it does look really good. But I'm not going to wear that together in an airport. I would wear this with some jeans or some pants like this in the navy blue color, and then use those green long pants with a gray t-shirt, a white t-shirt, and a sweater maybe, or another sweatshirt. Vests can also be very helpful in an airplane to hide valuables or pack more items you might need mid-flight. This vest has two hidden pockets on the inside, okay? The large fits me. And these are two vests I bought because the puffy red one is a flattering puffiness without adding bulk to the actual outfit. And one high quality feature is that both of these vests have zippers and snaps that are the same color as the fabric, making it higher quality in my opinion. But Ollie prefers a coat instead of a vest. Haha. They're gorgeous. If flying to a mild temperature place, a thin vest like this green one is a good layering piece for an outfit without adding bulk. And the pattern is not a frumpy pattern. I have worn these water resistant pants a few times going to Europe, as well as in the bus ride all throughout Europe when our Viking river cruise was a bus trip instead of a river cruise because of all the flooding. For slick water resistant pants, these are so quiet when your legs rub together. You can cinch them at the bottom if you need to. The elastic waistband is very, very soft, and I wear a size medium, but the large also fits as well. I have 3 of these pants for travel outfits. I hope you have such a wonderful vacation. If you are sitting all day, now you will be totally comfortable and stylish.